To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty. Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On this journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time. One friend at a time. Yeah. I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool. See, lately I found out as long as your heart is strong, then you will carry on. You belong.
Why?
I wish breeze blow ya. Hey, you know what I'm gonna see you. Bro. Like say sit now do you. How do you?
Cherry, what do you? Every day something happen to somebody. What happen to you?
What for do me? How?
Look how you sit on the roadside like what happen to you?
You know what me a do so?
What you do, sir?
I something me a wait pan. So you mean by where you try to
What you
sit
wait
on a
for?
roadside and
You not
mad
wait for nothing. You not wait for nothing. Are you laugh?
From me see her come, me see problem. What is it?
From me see you sit down, that's a missing problem.
Why you come here so far? What happened?
What do you mean when I come and suffer? Cherry, you gone back to your old dirty ways, haven't you?
Why you just call me?
You listen good?
Why you just
I
call
never
me?
call you dirty, and I say you gone back to your old dirty.
No, when name where you just call me?
What happened to you?
When name where you just call me?
What do you?
A Cherry you just say?
Say the name Cherry again?
You call me no Cherry.
Who the name
That
Cherry?
the name they dead and gone. Call me Pinky. What your problem, bro?
God. Come like that.
You come like a be a mad brother me having in a family.
No,
because
hold on. I same thing I wonder about you. You know, say I same thing you make me worried, you know, youth. You know, say you make me worried.
When me going back in now?
Look how you're going in a church nowadays. You make everybody in the community feel good when they see the Bible and the arm and go to church. Everybody has say, yo, Cherry, change. Everybody has say, yo, Cherry, I'm proud of you. You don't remember? You don't remember? I look for you now. Yeah.
Let me ask you one question.
Hold on. You need to see you done smoking too.
Let me ask you one question.
You think me not see when that's a cigarette butt over there, Cherry? You think me blind?
Me? Let me ask you one question, bro. Let me just ask you one question. No matter of fact, me not call you no bro, no mad man. Let me ask you one question.
No man. You can't call me anything you want to call me.
When they did that shot, brother, did they?
Birds are winning.
When they did that shot, brother, were you there?
When they did what? And that me a talk about, you know, me a talk about.
When you try to kill, brother, you did they? You did they?
No, but me a say. And that me a talk about you.
Listen to me.
You!
Listen to me.
When me sit down there a while ago, I smoke.
Listen to me.
What it gone in a church and left church now and change up.
Yeah, my father.
You know something I tell me brother know I go on.
Go on, so who business boy you on, brother? Go on. Must feel like me like you. From a longer time, I not like you. So go on.
So you don't feel like your owner, brother?
Me no business.
Eh?
Blood or no
That's
blood.
why I can't rate you. That's why man can't rate you.
Oh, so you feel so
I
me
don't
short
rate
of
you, but
food.
you want to rate
Me
you.
short of sleep at night time and me short of food. And who you? You somebody? Me say if you are somebody. If me lose, I not no wrong. But you see me other brother, if me lose Patrick, you actually even know. Just go away and go call Patrick. You come and just be a problem.
Me call him and tell him where you go out. Because you come like say you lick up yourself. Like, I don't know where you smoke, you know.
Yeah, laddie.
Me I'll tell him. Alright.
I'm going to change some good decent clothes in the evening and make you feel like you're somebody. You're somebody. Come down now, man.
It's alright, man. Yeah, brother, what you going? Yeah, you don't know what Cherry me I call about. You don't know what Cherry come like sitting around with him, brother. I come up on one place and see him smoke in my youth, change up, you know. Now you don't know church again, brother, as me I tell you, brother. Right now, brother, I'm worried about her in the youth. That's I'm worried, brother, believe me, man, because yo, my mind, you see Cherry is a serious girl, brother. And you know, say anything until he says, say, I'll do. I mean, I want him out and get himself, no problem, brother. Right now, I left him up the road up so. Sit down. I smoke, I don't know why I smoke, brother. What you say there? Alright, I come check around there. Because we need to talk, you know. Alright, I come now. Yeah. You see them, man. You know, pray them place, I remember your office, man. You see a garrison there, man. What go on?
Yo, let me tell you this. Anyway, me there, me well secure, you know. Because me have my thing for me, you know. You answer me? I have my thing for me. Yeah.
See it there?
No, you can't see it. I say me not bother show you because I know you see
no, I
it.
do open the next still, man. I see it.
But just understand, say, talk where you talk first.
Yeah, man, I say, boy, I'm kind of worried about sister, you know, brother. She, to me, come like, I don't know if nobody I give no coke or nothing, bro. Because when I see my road, bro, sit down there, so. And in show where you must smoke, you look like I want a cigarette still. No?
Can you smoke again?
Yeah, again. As me I tell you while I go up on the phone, brethren, in a day in a church again. Miss Joy, them and the whole of them up there, so we're so happy for him. I call me, I say, yo, want to Pinky?
So a phone call and call
I'm not talking about call him the Pinky, you know, Cherry. Because I'm content about calling Pinky.
Alright.
Cherry.
Hear me I say right now, see? Where you been there all this time? I just because you hear bad news, you arrive.
No, but look at that, as bad as things be, you know, me and Master, I'm cheering a plan, peas are lying in
yeah,
brother,
but you know, you should have plant no peas. But you want to plant the corn which part something go wrong.
Yeah, my sister, but as I say, no, I'm not rate her, but I'm not hate her.
Alright, I understand that. But the
You
thing
understand?
is this. You have to know, say, you know, make just bad news when you come around and all these things. You understand? Tell me something. You know, think about for one illegal gun like you. Because when you're young guy, I'll be a pion, you run on the house, you know.
Oh, I'm tell brother, man. And then something we are talking about. That's I'm tell brother.
Me ask
what
you a
kind
question.
of illegal gun you come ask about, brother?
Because I know, say, with your job, you can't get nothing for, you know, register and something. I remember some officer, you know. I'm in love with job, you know that.
So hold on. Me, there, as a brother. I will talk about with sister. And the reach of me having illegal.
No, me don't know nothing what going on there in a long time.
No, but
you understand? And you just found now and you, yeah, alright. Let's talk about Cherry.
But you don't know me as a man, brother. You feel that way now, yo.
You know say Cherry a bus gun?
Cherry.
Cherry a bus gun. And what me have to do now is try to ignore her right now because arrest her. Me I tell you I bring her in. I know say me bring her in right now. Me get more ratings for my
thing. But Cherry bad, but you know bust no gun.
That is it.
I tell her.
Alright, that is it. Alright, listen me I say to you.
Me no face her.
Make sure say you not bust no gun, because you know have look as Cherry, you know.
So that's why you ask me.
You understand? Because you're man, you know.
Look at them, man. I not do them things, brother, man. Just believe me, man.
What you need to do is just try to mend things with Cherry differently.
You
You know come down as fear, yeah, you're older than she, but you're younger than me. And you're going to step certain things like that. You can't do that, man.
That nah go easy, you know, brother. I tell you, cause enough time I try to make up back things with Cherry, you know. And Cherry just dash back in my face, you know, brother. You remember the time when Cherry went up at Auntie Xavier shop?
Yeah.
And me I come from work and go up there. And sister sit down around the table and now eating the food. And everybody else eat their food at the restaurant. What me did do?
Check up our food and your mouth some.
No, she never did eat no food.
And that she tell me. Say that start the whole thing.
Wicked.
So alright, so we go then.
I buy a food for her brother in one Malta. And give her brother on the day the 25th of March. I not forget. And you know what girl do? Throw food in my face, brother, and broke your Malta, brother.
Well, if
so what me do?
You have to know, say I just so you go.
So I'm not chiming up things.
But listen, you no plan peace. And you have to find a way how to make she forgive you. You hear me I say to you?
Yeah.
But you are going still. I tell you, there's nothing we can do right. All you have to do is keep her in your prayers and make sure she get back to which part she went there. You understand? Which is back at church. That's all I can tell you. Because right now, me not working. Then put me up on suspension right now because of circumstances. You know, if Cherry chat too much, he must tell you. So then shoot off of me and then shot me. But a good thing say just grange. Yes. Some things say them things here come talk about. And say how me I doing and them something there. You know come talk about that kind of stuff.
So you get shot?
Eh? Right, that's the man. Want to look at hoodlum?
Blouse and skirt out.
Yeah, that's me I talk about.
That's how you
Hey! You don't bother with that. You don't bother with that.
No, youth.
Yeah,
about that, man. But but you see how you are next one thing, youth. Because them things up to you and call you little brother, youth. You see your youth?
My number is always the same. You change phone like you're a call center you have. Eh?
You know the reason I change phone? You rare come do. Remember water sports me do, brother. And sometimes I dip on a boat and salt water flash up on the phone and something and mash them up, brother. Well, I can't work you now. You can't afford to come work with me, you know.
No, so me alright. Me depends good time. Things are alright. Because I don't want to forward run which part you there. And then me I hear the police I look for me.
No.
I know say your thing is always not legal.
No, the boat then license we have with JTB and everything, brother.
May God go with you.
So how Shanti I go eat? How many days I go eat?
Well, me them eat. But one day, if them say fi come for you, you know, sir.
Brother, yo,
hey. If them say one day me fi come for you, you know, me I got to come for you. And after you in a jail now, me can counsel you or try help you. After that.
Yeah, man. I don't know what to do for my brother and sister them, but me I'm moving.
No, but if you take away, that's where I was move.
You will tell me, I hear what I tell you now. Two different, you talk about work with chop and pit out like a bug blogum. Eh?
Have a good day, but just don't make your name call.
Eh? You there right now?
Me not there right now.
I'll let my name call, you can't lock me up.
Don't worry about that.
Yo, listen me I say, yeah, man. Yo, come like hold on a little late, man. Where mommy get to the from, no, brother, yo.
You don't worry about that. Just make sure your name a call, that's all.
You alright, man. Come like hold on, I don't know what to do here.
Yeah, Cherry just not know nothing about that. Where you come from?
I go find night town. Tired? I go fully water. Because I know I love drink water.
So how you say you're fully water and the water empty?
A place lock.
So a place locked so long? Eh?
We drive hard to get to come up here and I walk. I walk, you know.
Are you choose to walk, you know, and I miss safe to walk?
I have to save money.
I have to save money? Eh? Save money and look on you. Me tell you, so me get backside lay off And it's a perfect time for you to do your hair and all these things. Eh?
So if me do me hair, where want me to sit down and look ragamuffin all the day of my life? I say what me look.
Me never said that, but you're gonna buy a wig, you're gonna do your yai, all these things. Eh? How you try to look attention?
Me not
Eh?
look no attention from nobody.
When me say I look no attention for me not say if it look good for me, but me understand what I want. You pick a perfect time as me get lay off some money, get low, then you go in the high life. Eh?
Me not live no high life. Me just feel like me want to look good. So if me look good?
You come like you know, hear me I say, me never have a problem with you looking good, man. But you have to understand that there's a proper time for these things.
When I right time? When I right
When
time?
money there?
So money not there?
No money not there. No money now come. You work?
No, me not
So
work.
how? So
but
how?
you have money. You have money.
Who have money?
You.
You go and watch my money. That's all you do. A little bit of money I have to take care. What if I get back no work? Right.
You get back work. What I mean by you're one of the best Rasta police ever did it. So you will get back work.
You see me say if stop the Rasta police. Me say if stop coming on Rasta police.
Anyway, you could have swear me see one of your brother them in the town where you show me for your phone.
Me show up on my phone.
Yeah.
Are you looking at my phone and see some people and you yo, I have to tell some family them because we are going like it ain't no sense. Eh?
Yeah, me could have swear me see him for true.
See who? One brown youth?
Yeah.
I'm a brother.
My brother.
But me not trust him. I'm tell him, I want him and tell him say if any day they call him name down there, me have to arrest him.
Because I say you leave, so you don't have no talking at that again.
What mean say me don't talk? Me still have a radio.
What do you do?
You mean like car? You must have a police vehicle, you know. I just because me undercover, then give me a vehicle and give me all these things.
So like how they leave, they're not going to take it from you?
They not take it from me because I'm not turning in. 2 days ago, boss check me and tell me say me fi lay low. He go give me suspension 2 weeks.
Oh.
But when them say 2 weeks, it can be 4 or 5 because the system is very slow.
Yeah, one of the best. So I don't think them will leave for long still.
Right now,
So what happened to you?
hey, that's easy, man. I don't upon that. Last time I touch you, and you say you want sleep, you want catch up, you want 30 more minutes sleep.
Me tired.
Tired of what? Tired of sleep in the house? Eh?
Me did have whole heap of things I do yesterday.
Like what?
I want to up and down. I go do me hair and my eye and something.
That up and down for me? Or for your house? Or for what? We have to run.
House and something too.
Yo.
So what?
I feel like I go check go down with my people in place, go get them a check, you know.
Round there so safe for you. Remember, see around there so you get shot the last time.
And around this, I get chat too much. I be a chat if you listen. Everything, you just a pint, and I take over conversation like you know what I want. I don't have my family in them place. I don't the chief come check me. Yes, and nobody knows so we there so. I'm really want to live for you so.
That not safe and better for we.
Better for we. And I think we send you up to you know. And make it take a time off. Hold on. Last night, me see one phone call coming on your phone. You and that boy still a link?
Me and the boy not link.
You and that boy bad goat still a link? Yes or no?
No, me and him not.
Look in my face, so me ask you a question. You and bad goat is still in contact?
No, me and him never in a contact in our first place.
Just make sure, that's all me I say. Because I don't understand why is it that you go give out a number and people will call you. Eh? Them always say, you know, it's not the man is the problem, you know, it's the woman. Because if a man can get close to a woman and I talk and I have a kind of conversation, she's not a woman.
Me and him don't talk on the phone.
That's one thing I tell you, say. No make me feel like say something go wrong.
Nothing wrong.
You understand? Because really and truly right now, you shot the man and you put me in a problem, you know. So right now,
did I try to save your life? You know, so you could have dead though.
Yeah, me could have bet, but based on what I'm going now, it could make me lose my life because I lose my work. And my work is very important.
To save your life, me.
So right now, you know, I don't know, and you plan for my money. My money works so hard pan.
What do you mean me a plan for your money?
My money me works so hard
plan
pan.
for your money, but what if me look good? Me, for your camera down here, you ever do me here? No. And the one time I do me here, you have problem.
Listen to me. When you come down here, your hair was natural and wonderful. But because you're so damn lazy, your natural hair is tough up like a some rock stone, you can't comb out it. So it start drop off. Am I fault?
I don't feel fault.
When me meet you in a natural hair. No, you have come put on wig. Eh?
You want me to take off a wig?
You see that I may talk about, you know. You spend so much money and you're willing to just take off a wig so fast. Like in import, like money in import time. So you will ask me before you do it if you have a problem with it?
So me if you ask you.
Oh, you mean if
why me if you ask you to do me?
And my money and I feel.
When you saga me I say for me and I feel. Eh? Answer a question. You can't answer no. Answer no?
It's not a matter of answer, you know. What I want to say, I don't bother want to say. Because I say, I know you have that against me for the rest of your life.
Say it then.
So better me shut my mouth.
What you have to say?
You understand me I say?
Say
So don't go and hype and go and like say, your mouth. Let me tell you, you chat too much, you know. You chat too much.
Mouth make for chat if your mouth lock up you stink.
Well, me not keep it that one. Well, basically, it better when keep your mouth shut because it's still you know what?
So what you do that for?
Me left it alone.
You know, so I feel like I lick off your body.
Who you think you talk to?
You me attack.
Me attack to? When me say, hey,
At this year try
I call them mother and tell them, say, because right now, I call them, low phone man. Eh? Yes, you make things just set a weird, I mean a problem and you just make more problem upon problem.
And you want more problem upon problem. Because me do me here, you have a problem.
Alright, you where you do now? Just take time walk one.
Me not go nowhere, you know. Because last time I run me out of your car, then you said when I go come back to you. So why you sense
me never come back to you.
You want me go here now and then and you said I'm going to drive on the whole community and look for me.
Me drive on which community? I burn up my gas.
You almost burn out the last time, remember?
Yeah. But this a time, yeah, you can have a wonderful what you call it, walk around this place. Me, this a boy, yeah? Me have too much problem for me head. Remember me tell you that. Take a walk again, man.
Me right and so me a turn with you.
Yo, ease up no man, me like the smell of that. How long you say you here?
From last week.
And smell sorry? Eh? Nah man.
Man, you like say to me. You try to face this every day.
Who is a call me hang up?
And go up and no woman I call your phone. That's all me have to say to you.
Yes, sister. Yeah, man, no, send down, man. What? Cherry, listen to me, I say, man. You can't do certain. Alright, cool. If I that say, yeah. I'm soon forward. Me gonna link up, my sister.
Me a come.
You not come nowhere.
Why me now?
You not come nowhere.
Come. Every time me I go link up with sister, you not come.
You think Cherry like you?
Me not like Cherry neither.
So where you come for then?
Come on, me want drive out.
Drive out where?
Me want go with you.
You're too tormented.
How me torment? So you want go somewhere with me, man?
Yo, you hear me?
Me a come.
Come where? I said, don't come, man. One time, man, and go back in the house and relax yourself, the man.
Up in the car.
One to your lady.
You not tell us me a come. If you see I drop me, man. Start the car. Your family then will accept me.
I hope Cherokee are easy.
Glad to see you, because I've been looking for you. Mommy yes, I go on up a country. me say girl in the country?
One heap of pasta, I nearly died.
I nearly died. Please to tell me the information what go on because probably me I hear false information.
Knowing me used to do some things, illegal things.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Police caught up on me, I end up get warrant for me. Me end up thief back the warrant. And thing. Anyways, me are going to details, girl.
Go going to this is Monday. Yeah, take so long.
So the police come on me yard now. Him and TB. You remember TB?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Man, I get to the point, man.
I do, girl. Me have to explain so you can understand.
Okay.
Him and TB must have it out and he end up shot TB and TB decides to go back for him. In which we tell him, say, no, don't do it. Anyways, TB go behind back, go after him, go to the man's yard. They end up kill him.
Mm-hmm.
So TB dead.
Mm-hmm. I hear that too.
Yeah. The man, that are the policeman, him get shot too. But he get shot in the foot. So the policeman's sister and his niece come on my yard now. Come threaten me. So I say, alright, me not take that threat there so light. So you see the same gun what TB did have? Me use it and go at the woman yard.
Yes. And you gonna go do? Make a fool of yourself?
You know? The woman drag on at me, shot at a lucky thing. Me coulda jump, girl. Me have to jump the blow wall fence.
Manda,
jump the
you hear what you tell me say?
You say if you tell her in details and that me I do.
No, Manda. You tell me say somebody bust shot off of you and you jump fence and come down here, so? All your brother,
I'm a brother, can't be down here.
Him at the next papi show. And whenever me see me and him need to have a talk. Or if you come like say you want to put bad name on the family, where you they run a go? Where you run go, Manda? Manda,
me I run and
pick up, listen to me, don't worry about your brother. Pick up yourself and get one bag and go back a country. Go defend yourself, because you just run comments like say you're idiot. You think nobody can make me jump no fence or no wall or no railing? You think nobody can make me jump, Manda? If me jump, that somebody they fly, can me they pitch him over. You understand what I say? You pick up yourself, come down here, so. Where come here, come, Manda?
You think me the well come down here, so?
No,
I'm a brother jam me from out the house.
No, Manda. Manda, do to me. Pack up yourself, pan the next bus, and go back a country. Come don't know where you come at town, can do. Where you come back, can do? If you talk, make people feel like them better than you. Eh? You know your family name. You want to come destroy the family name with a little poor self, you gotta jump fence. Who does jump, Manda?
Oh, somebody if you turn up and take a shot.
Manda, when you go over people, Manda, you should see your strap.
Me didn't have the gun.
Manda, I no gun alone you need. You need details. And if you know what them there, what time them asleep, what time them wake up, what time them brush them teeth, where them a go, where they eat and where they sleep, everything you want to know, them family member, you need background, details. You think I'm gonna alone do this? You have to smart, man, you know, use your brain. You pack up, come here, come to hide. I beg you to pack up and go back up. Pack up and go back up, man, that can't have much sense, man, pack up and go up. And if you pack up and go up, man, that.
Yeah, me not have much sense,
yes.
Because we them out half of my senses.
And that's for true. And if you say your head so big, Manda, you're not using it. Put your head to great use.
Have a big head here? Oh.
Eh? You go put up, just take up gun to go over there?
Hello! I'm roadside with the pan.
Manda.
Talk about my business, so.
I mean, run them a road, yeah. Them a road and run me. Like how you go up, say, girl, make you run like you're an idiot. I mean, run here, so me talk anything what me want to talk. And nobody can make me from chat. Me chat anything. Me big, bad, and brave. Me run yes, so yes, and run me. You understand?
How you did go out you see me on top?
I up the road, me da go. But deal with that business. I cry, and come back. I like
just
you.
See me and this if you stop and lecture me.
Yes, because me I hear rumors. Say we family no bad again. We family water out, wash out, steal out. So when we found out who are the cause that are you, make uptown people I can run down, come back and say, hello, I beg you to run, go on back up. I beg you to go on back. Manda, go on back me and one Manda. Don't make me wake up a morning and hear see you still there. I know what to. There's a thing about it. Because you don't have no sense, me I go show you how you run things. Me they come down there with you. We they go down there. So make me go pack me back. Come on, go that way. Go that way, man. You know, no sense.
So walk around and know where you
I'm
go.
hungry.
Girl, right now, I'm not hungry now. Cause everything got stop closing off my brain.
Well, you go and thump and watch me eat then, cause me hungry. That me I tell you is like this. Say me hungry. Forward. Serve.
Yeah, man, yeah.
What have in there?
Fried chicken and brown stew.
Wait to have fried chicken. Boy, you know hungry. Look how far me I come from. You know hungry?
You want pepper and ketchup?
Yeah. You want pepper and ketchup?
No, you eat the food, girl.
Oh. I don't want none. Only God knows how you're stupid in life. Thank you.
Welcome.
I think I did me food, but I you food. What if you have a conversation? What if you talk?
Are you me with your pan?
Watch me, just watch me. Watch me, go on, watch me. Go on, man, go on. Alright. Hold me back, I like you know hungry. Hold that. So
Your bag can't go, girl.
what's your girl then? So what you say? Why the girl there? What you say? Shoot off for you or you shoot off her? Where
She don't
there?
live far from you, so you know.
She live far from us. Okay,
You live
alright.
far from you, so.
She live far from us.
You just eat so. No conversation, they say you. Bye. Alright, eat your food, eat your food.
Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Let me tell you this. Let me come right up. We come down upon a mission. When I say mission, I mean mission. You understand me I say? We don't talk missionary in a bed. Mission. We come here for the girl. Because we need to deal with that girl there. You understand me I say?
So what you plan to do?
We don't plan to do. We are going to shoot off the back of that girl there. We are going for her. I cannot understand how she make Tibina there right now. My brother-in-law.
I understand that part there.
I understand that. The head now work. We just have a big for no reason at all.
I know that it look like because we no burn no weed from when. My brain kinda, you know.
Let me ask you a question now. What she you know what she sleep and she eat? Where they go there?
No worry yourself, Bokon. Me have links. We can get that.
Remember say we not too trust the link thing, you know. We not too trust the link thing. So
Stop worry yourself like me say me have that covered.
if you didn't have it covered, you would run come down the yard. You would run come down there.
Like I said, I know run come down there. My brother draw me out of the house. Come this I say I'm not coming, but him pull me out. So what you want to do? Plus my brother, we can't manage him
you have
sometimes.
your own mindset. You have a mindset of your own. Well, you know sense.
Eat the food, cause you're hungry. Eat the food.
You sure say you don't want any time to eat the food?
Me look like I'm hungry.
Hungry mark
Move
by your face.
or up and move from yes so.
Me not move it. Me not eat.
I
What me
can't
just-
could never mission come down your supper. And I just sit down timely like say you don't have nowhere to go.
So me go for mission. Me belly fi full. So me fi run. Me have strength to run. Look for me.
Also you
me
plan
look.
to run. I used to say no know me.
Me must me come down and me not no strap for me.
I strap your worry about.
Me say no sense, you know. Me can't rely on you. You can't shame for the family man da. You make girl make it run and a jump. You idiot. Are you an idiot?
Let me ask you a question.
Ask the question, man.
If you go to somebody's yard, right? And the back gonna offer you and start bust shot, you turn up and take a bullet. If me did turn
No.
up, wait now, if me did turn up and take a bullet, you think me there so right now?
Manda,
I wouldn't be here.
me that
You
jump
could have
over.
get a bullet in my head.
You should have get it in your head,
A
Manda.
true.
But
A
if I
true.
didn't mean- No, Manda. You see if I didn't mean Manda? You say me chuck over anyway you chuck over. I pop me, I pop out my gun, Manda. Come in and run from nobody, Manda. And anyway, me dey go, Manda. You must have a strap, Manda. Who teach you? Who teach
So
you
who
badness?
tell you say me never have strap on me?
So where you run for them, Manda?
You not get what me.
You say
Jesus,
chew me
did think-
hungry. You say chew me hungry.
Yeah, eat the food,
But I
cause
take the
eat
food,
the
I
food,
take this
eat the
and
food.
box off your head, please.
Cause you come like a true your hunger now gather with me and say up your soul. Eat the food.
No, man.
When you're full of belly, me talk to you.
You
Me can't
just
talk to you,
spoil
right?
appetite. Me nobody want food, man. You just sit me stomach now, man. You is a coward, man.
You see why me can't talk to you, my brother talk to my brother. Me can't talk to you, you know, me can't deal with you, you know.
But know yourself. Me I go take charge of what they go on. Me in charge now. Not your brother, not you, but me in charge. Me I go show you how you run things. You understand? Me I go show you how you do things. Must you a real bad woman.
Girl, guess who me see in my town? Madre, your uncle. Me say, you want to see how the man are gone with me. I sit down and I relax, you know. The man talk about, me just see you dash for a cigarette. That's what kind of cigarette. And the man start take me on like I'm a father. I can't talk about them, there's something they are going with. That's why I say what me are going with. Sometimes I feel one of my jacket.
Stand up! Don't move! Don't move. What's your name?
My name is Sister Cherry. I go to church and all these things. I'm a decent young lady.
You think me don't know about you? Are you there around here bust up people shot them out half of people?
Me!
What's your name?
Murder!
Yo! Yo!
Father God!
Where Patrick there? Where Patrick there?
He's not there.
What do you mean you're not there? Go over there, sir. They say go over there, sir. Go over there, sir. Go over there, sir.
I'm gonna come back today. I want to ask you one question. What me do for you coming to my yard and I'll reach in a house? What me do? What me have for you? Because the last time I check, you can't wear jazz. I'm Brazil. So what me do?
You shoot off for Amanda. One lady when me hear say you bus shot off her.
Me?
Know about the drug trafficking. Me know about it.
Jesus, you see your nose. I don't do nothing like that.
Auntie,
Me?
Auntie.
What?
You.
Auntie, a
You.
church trafficking him a talk about you got church from
I must check. Me?
Me know what you talk about.
You should have in a school, you know.
You should have there at work.
A cop see figure, you know.
Go send your colleagues them a cops. Like you know nothing good for do. How are you, man?
Mr. say you full of mouth.
Okay, because like you
I
did
make
what
sure
me
say you get sent up.
And I work this, and I no papers.
Listen. Make
And
me
I
deal
no
with it.
papers. No, make me angry, man.
Make me deal with
You
it.
give me one healthy push.
Boom.
Hello.
Anyway, we're going to get the wrong information.
Yeah, man, alright.
Listen to me. Soji, anywhere you go and get the wrong information from, carry back go there and ask them what them do too. No, say no more, me no do nothing. I mean, I know where they talk
Sleep
about.
on the same side where you sleep on last night.
Right
Here.
now, me just
I
want to
shall,
come
because God will go with me. I should have my Bible for just read one psalm for you and lick up on your forehead.
Yes, Soji.
Yes, Sister Cherry. Huh? You plan to come back into the church? Oh, really? That's good. That's wonderful, man. That's wonderful. The Lord is working, man. So I guess I will be seeing you this Sunday at church, right? Okay, Sister Cherry.
And please do remember to bring your offering, because without the offering, the church cannot run. Okay. And I have some things in the barrel for you too. You don't worry. It's the only thing that yes. Straight from Canada. All right, no problem. Thank you, God. You're opening my eye.
Hello. Yeah, sir. Amanda, come back down. Oh, yeah. When? Today? Oh, yeah, say to me. They no me care of Amanda. Someone look back down here. And he knows his life in a danger. And people are fighting to kill him. Alright, here what I go on. I'm on a mission right now. Yo, I can't believe that Amanda really come back down. I hope to know me and he knows. See how right now I'm pissed off. Right now I'm angry, I tell you. Right now, I can't believe that I care of Amanda and he really come back down. Eh? And he knows that man are fighting to kill him. Alright, here what I go on. I want mission me depend, but I go look for him. Right now, I'm upset. I'm upset right now. Alright, I go deal with that. I go see if I can find. Yeah, man. Alright. Wow. Tell it to the little girl, you go until they kill him.
So you carry your handbag back on your fa? Where you go with the handbag? How you look for?
You must check the place, cause you know, when you're
So
police,
how
you're
long
police.
you take to come? Anybody did a year gone already?
So can him?
Why you carry your handbag? Me tell you, say me want to talk to you, guys. Do me want to talk to you? Carry this.
Alright, I tell you. Alright, here we are going on. Let me just start for a second.
move. Alright, that's something I turn up. If me in a family, me in a family.
I know my family in a mama. You in the family where they in the pants. No my family.
Alright.
Me in a family pants. Go turn up also.
I can't wait for you 2 days then expire. Me just want you remove yourself.
They expire long time.
Mama, they no expire.
Yeah, what? No, you go please the uncle. Are you
Mama,
go please him?
Mama, me call me uncle to tell him something. When they come like you, they watch.
Yeah, me and bodyguard. Me have to watch him.
Put a camera on him. You
No
know
worry about that, me a camera.
Me not like
You
see you.
big, you see me
Me not like see you. Me not tell no lie. If you have camera, you cap a color bad.
Thank you very much.
You know, me call you to
Your
tell you
uncle
something
love
and you dey carry handbag. You know put her in a one rubbish pan. Me can't bother with that.
Yeah, so you just go lean down this and not say nothing.
Yeah, no wife material,
Mama.
mama.
And make your niece there start disrespect me.
Mama, you not have a ring, so you can't do nothing.
No worry about that. Is that bother you?
Ma, I want to talk to my uncle. Is that
I'm
you
not
go?
move. You gonna move me?
You know no
You do
shame.
something about it? No. My shame tree chop down long time. Me not move.
Alright, Patrick, let me tell you what I want to tell you.
A long time I did to start that.
Uncle Patrick, let me tell you what I want to tell you.
Uncle.
Me nobody want to tell you nothing, go yard. Me nobody want to tell you nothing, go yard. Can you come with this big old handbag? She bigger than the one them.
You see one I raise? You see it? She
Mama,
not
me
move
done gone
about
through
her.
the gate, you can't hold me back. Me done gone through the gate, me say. Me nobody want to tell you nothing. Your sister gone to church, gone beg the pastor pray for her. You know why? Because soldier come here and look for you now.
What?
Yes, I hate me call if you tell you, but me nobody want to tell you, me no business boy you. Make your handbag or your bodyguard response for your life. You not come out of me yard.
My response for your life come here as a save him.
Then mama go and go save him now. You think a little push man push me this morning, yes, sir. I said then come for you.
For me?
Yes, for you.
For the what?
I could something good. As him have a me say, you see when me see God, me do want piss up myself, but me I say no, me a bad girl. So me just pissing at the underwear and never make you run my shots.
Which part Sherry then?
She gonna beg the pastor for pray for her. You don't understand?
Sorry, soldier, I look for you.
Me not talk to you, mama.
Mama, me not talk to you now. Me not ask her one
Why
question.
me not go do this with her? You see next time they come alone. Because if you carry her, me they throw some hot piece for her until I never see her.
You want to try that?
Hey!
No, you're not a boy.
Hey, Patrick. Hey, you see next time you carry her come here, me they wet up you and she. You feel like you get no wet yet? Imagine soldier they look for me every audacity if he call you and tell you say me want to come tell you something. And you carry a little handbag come here. But you look like supermarket, wholesale, a church, yeah? Where you go? Where you carry a handbag come here for?
Listen to me, I say. You get out of hand, you know, Shanice. You get out of hand.
Listen to me, you see, once
Hey,
me go through the gate, you can't tie me back. It's too late.
Me is a police officer by law.
And a soldier come
And
and
if-
fear from law.
Yeah, but if you continue like that, me have to go send you to cops because you can't. Listen, you now go to school, and you're supposed to be at school right now.
And if you continue like that, me wait you out to the soldier them. You feel like you're going to send me go no cops?
So, alright.
If me a go cops, you go behind bars.
Listen, me, I say. So, you mean if you tell me, say, one soldier come here for me,
Yes.
and come look for me, and
Yes.
come and fear yard.
And push me down.
So that means if man still.
And him tell me, see a cops, me fi go through now. You come like a cops, me need to go for true.
No, because you know, understand, saying if you have manners, relax yourself.
Manners go which part manners come from. Me call you, me need call no handbag. You see, she
Alright.
come here, come beat me.
Alright, hear me, I say. You need to understand, say. Me thank you for giving me the information, but you have to go cool down at some point.
Right now,
You
just
can't
strap
go
me
on so
on.
hot.
Right now, I want to strap myself.
You don't know.
Cause me tell you, brother, saw a man come.
Shanice.
So when the bust off me and me and Ted.
Shanice, you're my
No,
niece.
me need to
Shanice,
strap up, man.
you're my niece. I love you, but if you ever think you're bad, me left you right there, son. Yeah? Me talk to you. Me love you, my
If
niece.
you not give me a strap, me I get it one way or another. Feel like me a kuno muno.
Hello. Yeah, more want to check something for me. One number. Eight 334788889. Yeah, man. Urgent. Yeah, man.
Yo, listen to me. You would have come up on a mission. Every time I feel put in it, because through your head big, you think you will know all of the information. But as me I say, you say a link ya, you know much call me if you make. So she get a one link ya up here so. So you better depend pint. You ready everything?
Right now, my yard, me want to go back, you know.
We come up here on a mission, you talk about yard. Eh? Up here on a mission. Eh? You will hold me bag too. Hold me bag. Hold me bag. Hold me bag. My back hurt me. From morning me in a car. Say can you make come up at the place, yeah. Eh? A badness with a pan. Me nah make nobody make me run like come say you say you run.
Me never say me run.
Hello, you tell me say you jump. And that you tell me say you do. And nobody nah make me jump. So me get right now why you strap me want. And we are gonna figure out where they in there. And we are gonna go for them.
What we are do yourself?
Jesus
Who we are
Christ,
pan?
tell us sense, you know. Me and wait pan one charge if you come. So me have strap. You think me come like you when I got period and I have no strap? Eh? Good. So as me say what them we are wait pan man. You just me can't take your style sometime.
So why the he or the she will take so long to come?
Patient. Have patience. And that's why you have to jump. You never sit and think about what you are going to do. Me so question, you know where they live?
Of course me know where they live.
You know what time them I go eat? What time them I go sleep? You know what them is something?
No, me don't know where part they live. I want
And
to
that's where that fi jump can have no sense. I'm tired to tell you, Amanda. A badness we say. You hear me say? Badness. You get what me say? What do you? That's how Jesus Christ. You see Jesus Christ, yes sir? You see Jesus Christ, yes sir?
We there stuff it over 1 hour. I turn up a look. What we are do? I try look cute?
No, we not try look cute. We are sit on, we turn up away, we pan the person get the firearm come. How for running palm and I have nothing. So the money if you have sense, you know. You have sense?
No, me not know.
You just stupid man. We just say we come up on a crime. We come up to mash something. You ready? You don't ever have nothing for yourself.
You can't talk, rub it that in the head, you know.
If you rub it in your head. How about if you in your head, you don't know the last time if you don't run. All your brother. All him. He my next one. You think nobody can make me run go nowhere? You think nobody can pack up me and send me go nowhere? Me a bad girl, Manda. Bad girl. You hear me say? Me bad. Nobody
Make sure you're bad and not only this you have.
Hello. And no more chat me deal with. Me a bad girl.
Come take back your bag, kai heavy. All this.
Manda, hold the bag, Manda.
You're bright. You're too bright,
You know,
man.
sit there and say you rank yourself with me. You rank yourself with me.
Your
But
bag heavy, miss.
hello. The time you face with me, have energy for the girl them where you go to. Have energy for them. Oh. Me want about.
We're still waiting. I can't see anybody approaching us. What we are waiting for? Like two big idiots standing right here, doing nothing.
We are weird.
Okay. We are weird.
Family!
Where are you doing now?
And she came down here.
How she if you carry her down
Me
here?
never well want come down here and she attacked me and something follow her.
Don't tell her that about me.
Yo.
Family, I lie him at hell. And she pack up me and force me to come down here.
Shut up, man. Shut up. You call me. You tell me say your life in a danger, me come for you one day. And me carry you back. Man shoot off of, woman shoot off of you.
Man shoot off fire? They shoot off fire?
Hello. Me not talk to you.
You not talk to me?
Shut up, silent.
Oh, silent.
Warm to you.
Come to me. She forced me to come up here and I want to go back home now.
Me force her to come up here, Kayla.
Yeah.
Amanda, me I talk to you. Amanda, you know me stay already. Amanda, you're not supposed to do right or so. Amanda, you know say
And she can come down here.
I'm telling you, girl. Me no bring you come down here.
Amanda, are you me I talk to? Look
Brother,
for me, look for me, look for me.
brother.
Look in my face when me I talk to you. Look for me. You call me and tell me your life in a danger. Me come for you, me carry you up. And you come back down and you know your life in a danger. Woman shoot off for you. And you take your cousin. Carry come down with you in a fire, in a danger.
I say you wicked.
Me?
You wicked bad.
Oh, so you believe she over me?
And you carry me down here.
I know me carry her down here. And she
Family, true. And she can come into
shut up! And she forced me to come down here.
Don't tell a lie on me, Amanda. Don't tell those lies on me,
You know.
Amanda. I'm innocent. Me innocent.
Shut up! You know what me go through to find you? I truck me have to call him to truck you down. You know, a 6 mile me walk. I search for you. 6 mile. It take me 5 hours. Take me 5 hours. Hear me I say now.
What am I doing in life?
Don't me come from and on the bus, you know.
Eh?
10, 9, 8, 7.
Hello.
Who is?
I feel your boy, man. Me there place here something for meet you.
Which place that about?
The place here something for meet you.
PlayStation?
Me have a thing for me, you know. For you.
Which thing? Interview thing?
A joking thing on the pan, man.
No. You can think you got the wrong number. Come on, blast it for me. You have the wrong number. Go place. You're right.
So. Girl, I take me for joke, kind of, man.
Trick. I'm here to you go on with that.
You know what you deal with?
Tell me nothing. Of course we know how we are dealing.
I'm here really come as a pa?
Patrick, you know what I go on, man. We get some intel boy. So I come play innocent and go on like say innocent.
What do you mean no play innocent? You know we are deal with, me say it? You know we are deal with?
Me see it say, you you join the force, not to protect the citizens of Jamaica. You join if you protect criminals like yourself.
Who you call criminal? You know me? Me a police officer, you know.
Here what
And
go.
because you suit up, so you know.
Here what go. Here what go. Me no come down your feet.
You feel powerful? Eh?
Yo, easy yourself, man.
Let me say easy myself. We have to easy
You
myself.
not afraid to put one in your head, you know.
We put...
Hear me say, man. Easy. Yo, hear me say, no. Ease yourself, man. Relax.
Are your time for shine?
Yo, hear me say, man. Hear me say.
Enjoy yourself.
We know about you, you know. We know about you, you know.
No, but
me know
say
you're on suspend right now, you know. Me know about you, you know. Them put you on suspend.
Who tell you that?
What?
Who tell you that?
Anyway, hear me say. You see, next time me come back down here, me just want Patrick. Just want the Patrick, even P come up in our system. That's the first letter come up in our system.
So hold on.
Just want your name call again.
For me?
Just make your name call one more time in the system.
So why you so defensive towards me, like something connected to you, like?
You see when you mess with the blood, my sister. Me know what going on with my sister. You kill Tibi, you know. Me know what going on, you know. And you kill Tibi. Don't go on about me. But here what go on. You see, as me say, if the first letter in your name come up in the system again, I go the whole army I come for you.
You done?
Alright, that's it, you know.
You done?
I hate that, me done, you know. I hate that.
Chief. More know something, Chief. Yeah, me know I'm still upon suspension, Chief. Me not call about nothing like that, Chief. But me I say, one soldier youth come basically stick me up with gun. One big old long gun to you know. No man, him alone a walk. So me not understand. So me name in the system like some of the wrongdoings. Yes, yeah, well, me not talk about that case there. But Chief, me must say that me do it, you know. Yes, Chief. All right, Chief. Chief might have to go. Chief might have to go ask if me can get back a firearm, you know, to just protect myself, you know. No, man, I keep it safe, man. But you know, yes, Chief. One little gun. Well, all right. All right, respect, Chief. Yes, Chief. So now, I want the food. A girl of them, man.
So me here. Oh God. Boy. How are you?
I don't think it's a workout.
You come back
I
with
think
this
it's a workout.
again.
No, I don't think it's a workout. The reason why I say that now is because you disrespect my family. You see, you go buy ice cream, buy one ice cream. Eh? You know,
No. Me a disrespect your family. One when your family a disrespect me. You stand up there so today, you know, and have your niece a disrespect me, you know. And you not say nothing, you know. And as me put your niece in her place, you want to tell me so this not gonna work out?
when you say put in a place, what you mean?
That's why
They
no
put your
woman
slippers
not
in
stay with you. No woman not stay with you because your niece ever disrespect them or your family ever do something another to them. That's why you are gonna be lonely.
You don't chat?
Me don't chat.
Because you just a chat,
So me
galang.
don't chat.
Me
Make
not
fi
say...
chat. More make fi chat.
as me tell you already, I don't think this will work out because you know respect me enough to calm down your damn self. You know respect me enough. So me I say, since you don't respect me enough, just make a thing go on. You understand me I say? Me I give you fear and you go and go for your yard.
Me not go nowhere.
You hear me
I'm
say?
not take no fear from you.
Take your fear
And you come
and
on
go
my
on
yard
your
to me,
yard.
and you come on my place.
So what that's supposed to mean?
Are you supposed to bring me back? Me not supposed to take taxi
Me
come
supposed
back.
to bring you back.
Yes.
Me not bring you back. I'm not go up your yard.
You not bring me back.
And you gonna make the people them either them backside sitting there. Go do me sitting in a black room. Me say one way in, one way out, you know. So me not depend that for go Augustown. Me not go Augustown. Me not go Augustown. Awa.
You not bring me back.
Me not bring you back. Awa.
Okay. You not bring me back. Me ask you again. You not bring me back.
I second time you try one stone like this, I know. I second time you try one stone.
I'm save your life once.
Give me my gun.
You bring me back?
Give me my gun.
Yeah, bring me back.
What means if I bring it back?
Hey.
I go bring it back because of
Boy,
even, you see, because of this,
you
you know.
put one in your foot, you know? Answer a question. You go bring me back? Yes or no?
Them a toxic relationship. You feel say, if you continue, this is a. And if I think about it, give a chance. Me not give no chance. Yes, I say. Me done. Me done. And get a shot me. Get a shot me
again.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty. Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On the journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time. But still I play the fool. Hey, see, lately I found out as long as your heart is strong, then you will carry on, you belong. You've been known. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. I gotta get myself together, get me and find the treasure. Yeah, one friend at a time. One friend at a time. One friend at a time. I'll be fine, yes, I'll